Hi everyone, I am Mustafa. We are together in a new video. In this video, I will show to how to use the interactive map in Mendix. This example will be the Türkiye map. And first you upload the model. Yes, I will share also with you the model in the marketplace. For this, you can check how it works. And this example I said to you the Türkiye map. And how you configure the according to your country or the another country. I will show this one. And when you upload the model, firstly, there is a button here, dummy data, just some example data here. After that, that's the regional map. You can say the state map like this. And there is another map, head map. Yeah, this is the head map, and also the color shows the what's the meaning of the colors, and here is the totals of the whatever you calculate. Okay, like this, it shows the map, like this data, and also you can manage here however you want, and you can, if you want, change the here calculating, and for example, this is the all year or the first quarter or year, as you see some changing here, and second quarter, yes, change again. Yeah, third quarter it is empty because there is no data for the third quarter in the map. Okay, now let's go to the Mendix Pro. And firstly, I wanna show the backend side and domain model, what I did. And this is the city, just dumpy data, of course. Here will be could be used a different entity. Just that's an example here. For that reason, I didn't create a complex something else. And this is a helper. This total map will show the on the map, and this is the map helper also here. Okay, let's go to the page. I used the custom HTML snippet. You can find this one in the marketplace. Just write the custom HTML snippet. You will find this in the marketplace. And this one, what will happen? Firstly, yes, when I go to the page, that will be created. Firstly, when I upload it, default map will be uploaded and create, and I will add the map here, default map, and then this map how it looks. As you see, I used to show the map as SVG format. When it starts, yeah, it starts from here. You can make a research in the Google or the AI, and you can create your own country SVG map, or you can find in the Google. I found this map in the Google, but I configured something. Of course, needs to some changing according to your usage. Then this is the very first is created, and let's go here as a default. Which one will come? Yeah, regional map will come, and also you can after you change the map, it will go to the like this, yeah, according to selection the type, and if it is the regional, that will be the same. It's created always the same. There is nothing else here. And what else here? Yeah, and you can find the JavaScript action here at the end of the map. Okay, let's go to the head map. To create a head map, for firstly you should retrieve all city, and we will create a new map here. Create a map. Sorry, that's a create a variable. Firstly, I put here the head of the map until the SVG starts. Then here is the total. What's the meaning of this? Total means this one is calculator. It will be calculated according to your selection. Default one is the all. Okay, where is it? Yeah, this one. Okay, let's go from here. Yes, this is the type. When I select the all is the one is the default one, and if you select the one quarter, it will be calculate the year of the first quarter. Of course, here is up to what do you want to calculate. Definitely, it's up to you. This is just example, and else, and after that, you will return the result here. Then, okay, this is the discard now. Okay, and after that, after you find the total what you want to see on the map, and SVG, we will create the for each city SVG map. And now, if it is the city plate, for example, 10, I will create this one, and I will put the to total integer here because I added this one summary new class, and on the map all cities total will be shown on the map. Then let's go to the end of the okay, that's all. According to each city, you will calculate like this, and change the variable head map and plus SVG. This one we will plus this one, and we will go to the change variable head map, and we will put the of the map this Java script also. And what else? After that, yes, change map helper. I will change the app map like this. Okay, how it will be shown on the map? This one, as you see, I used this one, but you can use the different widget. And configuration, when I come here, I use the dynamic attribute, and I will select the dynamic attribute map. So which map I select, it will be shown to user. That's all thing. And also here is the what is city which you selected, and how it will be shown when I select this one. Yes, it will, as you see, like this. How it will take the city name on the map. Yes, there is an event here, show, and I developed a JavaScript for this. When I click the on the map, the city, city will be name will be token, and also after that the other things ordinary Mendix development. Yes, let me show what I did here, code, and yes, I will take the name of the data city name. Where is it? Let me show and SVG. Which one? Yes, as you see, data city name. I will take this data. Of course, you can configure the according to your country or the which map you will use. Maybe you can use the trim or like these things. Just as an example, for that reason, I didn't go to very deeply development. What else? Yeah, just let me show the another one. What's this? Yes, CSS. Where is it? You can find. Okay, just where is it? Yes, app, and show app direct in Explorer, and go to the search and go to the where is it? Interactive map and web. and you will see the map SSS and click this one, and you will see the color configuration here. And if you want, you can change according to your design. That's all the things. I hope I didn't forget anything. Yeah, as far mostly yes. Yeah, what important is here? The important is thing is here. This one and calculating. Just you will calculate, and also which data you want to calculate. You will do, and as a total, you will send the map. That's all. See you next videos.